Let's see how we can do the chain rule really quickly. I've drawn an onion here because this is my idea. What we're going to do, we're going to have like the inner function, the outer function, and we're going to write these out separately. What's the inner part? It's 3x plus 5. What's the outer part? It's bracket to the 7, or 2 bracket to the 7. So I'm going to differentiate the inside part, which is just 3. And then I'm going to do the next layer of the onion. So 2 something to the 7. Well, that's like 14 to the something to the 6. Okay? What do we do to finish? Well, we write in anything inside. So that's that bit there. And then my final answer is 42, 3x plus 5 to the 6. That's all we've got to do. Okay, let's do another one then. So what are the layers on this one? We're going to have 3x plus 5 again. We're going to have sine of something as our next function. And then for the next one, we're going to go with, let's do red, 2 bracket to the 7. So how are we going to do this? Well, the same kind of way as before. So the inside bit is just 3. And then sine of something differentiates to cos of something. You can just fill in anything like this as you're going. And then 2 something to the 7. Well, we just did that one. That's going to be 14 something to the 6. And we fill that bit in there. That's actually got sine of 3x plus 5 inside. And you can clean it up a little bit. You can put these numbers together. So it's going to be 42 again. So it's 42. And I'm going to write it as cos 3x plus 5. And then this one here is what? This is sine to the 3x plus 5 to the 6. Okay? So let's do one more. Let's go for a really extreme version now. So here's our next one. Let's start with the inner part. It's 3x plus 5. Then the next part, same as before, is sine of something. What's the next bit? Well, if you look at those brackets carefully, it's bracket to the 7 this time. So bracket to the 7 is the next one. And we've got one more on the outside. So one more on the outside is going to be what? It's going to be 2 natural logs. So like natural log something is kind of the function. So one more time. Here we go. 3. How about sine of something? Sine of something, we're going to make that cos of something. So cos of the thing. You can fill this in now, or you can fill this in at the end. I'm going to fill it in now. Okay, what's the next one? 7 bracket to the 6. And what went inside that bracket? Well, it was sine, and then it was 3x plus 5. Okay, and the final layer, 2 natural log of something is going to become what? Well, it's going to become just 2 over all of that stuff. Okay, and what was that stuff? It was a bracket to the 7, and then inside that was sine of 3x plus 5. Okay, and this is correct, but we can clean it up a little bit. So a 7 and a 2 is 14 times a 3, so it's a 42 again. So we've got 42, and I'm going to put the cos bit first. So I'm going to do cos 3x plus 5, and sine of 3x plus 5 all to the 6 inside the bracket. And in the denominator, I'm going to have something to the 7. So you might have spotted that this is actually kind of a special one, because you've got sine to the power of 6, sine to the power of 7 in the denominator. So for this one, we can actually do something like that. And we've got cos over sine. So we can make it as a final answer 42. Cos over sine is cot of 3x plus 5.